Hi guys, this is the Java series part 55. In the last session, we have discussed about the exception handling. What is exception? Exception is nothing but the errors that disrupts the flow of the application. In order to maintain the flow of the application, we have to handle the errors. Okay, how can we implement the exception handling? Using try-catch block. Now let's discuss about the finally block. Okay, so we know inside the try, we have to place the suspicious code. Okay, so this suspicious code might throw the exception. If any exception is occurred means catch is responsible to handle that error. Okay, so finally block will be executed always whether the error will come or not inside the try block. Here, this is my class name and I have created the main method. Here I have implemented the try, catch and finally. Okay, so inside the try we know the suspicious code have written. Okay, so catch block is responsible to handle the errors that is raised inside the try block. Okay, now only we have discussed. So what is the role of the finally? Finally is used to print the statement whether the error rise or not. Okay, so if error is raised means catch block will be executed. Okay, if the error is not present means the catch block is skipped. So what is the role of the finally block? Finally block will be executed always whether the error will come or not. Okay, so the important codes will be placed inside the finally block. Okay, so here I have given color to data. Data is the name of the variable, its data type is string. Okay, here I have used the length inbuilt method. So string.length returns the length of the given string. Okay, and if there is no error means catch block will be skipped. Okay, if there is error means catch block will be executed. Okay, whether the error will come or not, the finally block will be always executed. Okay, so the finally block is always executed and the rest of the code will be executed. Okay, let me execute this one. Here there is no error. What will happen? The finally block and the rest of the lines only will be executed. Okay, so the length of the given string color length is 4 and this statement is executed and this is also executed. Okay, now I comment this line and I uncomment this one. Now data holds null. Null means nothing, no value. Okay, so what will happen if I try to print the data.length means this statement writes the error only. So what happens? The catch block is responsible to handle this error. So the error message will be printed and the finally block also will be printed. Okay, and the rest of the code also will be printed. Okay, now I save this file and I execute the same program again. So this is our output. Okay, cannot invoke string.length because data is null. Okay, so this statement is from this catch block. Okay, null pointer exception inbuilt class. This is the inbuilt exception class. Okay, this exception class is responsible to handle this type of error. Okay, and the finally block is executed. That's why we got this statement and the rest of the code is also executed. That's why we got this statement. Okay, I hope you all understood about the exception handling. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.